Welcome back to another video, guys. Before I begin, I just want to say, if there are any videos that you want me to react to, make sure you comment them down in the comment section below. If there are any videos that you want me to react to, make sure you comment them down in the comment section below. Also, it is very important, make sure you go to my page, check out my Taylor Swift playlist. All you have to do to get to the playlist is go to my page, click playlist, look for T Swift Reaction. T Swift Reaction is the name of the playlist, and you'll see all the reaction videos that I have created for Taylor Swift. Make sure you subscribe, share the video, and like the video. All right, let's go ahead and get into the video. So today we're going to be reacting to, oh, it's going so slow, remastered 4K Out of the Woods, Taylor Swift 1989 World Tour EAS channel. Oh. Come on, Taylor.
Seems so simple. We were lying on the couch. I remember you took the Polaroid of us and discovered the rest of the world's black and white. We were in screaming color, and I remember thinking, all we ever wants, yet all we ever wants, yet all we ever wants, yet all we ever wants, all we in the period, all we in the period, all we in the period, in the period, all we ever wants, yet all we ever wants, yet all we ever wants, yet all we ever wants, all we in the period, all we in the period, all we in the period, in the period, go! Looking at it now, last December, we were built to fall apart, fall back together. Ooh, you was hanging from my neck, the night we couldn't quite forget, and we decided.
I love that little, I don't know the name of it, but the little outfit she has on, it looks great.
To move the furniture so we could dance, baby, like we stood a chance. Two paper airplanes flying, flying, flying. And I remember thinking, all we ever wants, yet all we ever wants, yet all we ever wants, yet all we ever wants. In the period, all we in the period, all we in the period, in the period, go. All we ever wants, yet all we ever wants, yet all we ever wants, yet all we ever wants. All we in the period, all we in the period, all we in the period, in the period, go. All we ever wants.
Yeah.
Would you sing with me one last time tonight? Okay, sing with me. It goes like this.
Oh, Taylor. This was amazing. Taylor Swift, I did not know she could perform this way. I remember, I think the first time I ever heard about Taylor Swift was, I believe it was 2010, either 2009 or 2010. I believe it was 2010, when Kanye West did the, you did good, but Beyonce, all of that. And I did not know that she would go from being that person into this person. And sometimes I feel like those unfortunate things that happen to you are actually for the better. They're for the best. So I'm not saying I'm glad that happened, but now I feel like if that didn't happen, she wouldn't have gone to this person here, because she has grown and matured so much in her music, and that stadium is full, that arena is full, and look how she's able to captivate that audience. It's people miles back in that arena, and she has all of them captivated. So that is amazing. Okay, y'all. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed it. If there are any videos that you want me to react to, make sure you comment them down in the comment section below. If there are any videos that you want me to react to, make sure you comment them down in the comment section below. Also, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. And I will see you in the next video.